Hazrat Iyad bin Abdullah bin Abu Sara reports that Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to go to Eidgah on the day of Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. First of all, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the prayer. After finishing it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would stand facing the people and they would continue to sit in their ranks. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam would preach them and pass orders for them. If he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had to dispatch the troops or pass the commands, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would do it. Thereafter, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would come back. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu said, it remained the constant practice of the Muslims till I went along with Marwan, the governor of Madina Munawwara, for Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr. When we reached the Eidgah, Kathir bin Salat had made a pulpit for him. When Marwan intended to mount it, I tugged at his garment. He released himself and mounted the pulpit and delivered a sermon before the prayer. I said to him, you have broken with President by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He said, O Abu Sa'id, whatever you know has gone now. I said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whatever I know is better than what I do not know. He, Marwan, said, people do not sit for us after the prayer, so I delivered it before the prayer. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 956.